Hello, and a warm welcome to the winners' interviews for the Risk Technology Awards 2022. I'm Zoe Fletcher, Associate Commercial Editor at Risk.net, and with me today is Leslie Bailey, Vice President, Financial Crime Compliance at LexisNexis Risk Solutions. Leslie, great to have you with us, and congratulations on picking up the award for Anti-Money Laundering Product of the Year.
Thanks, Zoe. We are so excited to be receiving this award and happy to be with you.
Great. So could you give us a brief overview of LexisNexis Digital Sanctions Evasion Intelligence Tool? What does it do, and what are the key benefits from a client perspective?
Yeah, I'm so glad you asked. We are so excited about this product because we feel like that financial crime digital intelligence is really a game changer in the industry, helping solve one of the most pressing problems right now, and that is digital sanctions evasion. And just the speed at which it has to be solved for. So this helps financial crime teams detect digital sanctions in almost real time, even when an entity may be trying to obscure its true location. We have varying signals from every transaction that occurs across our network. So when you think about the key benefits to what this product provides to our customers, it is a call in real time for match to a sanctions list. It is better detection of digital sanctions and evasions to unmask those potential evaders. And think about, if I'm trying to obstruct using technology like a proxy or a VPN or a Tor browser, and then speed of investigation, which is key to meet the continued and emerging regulatory requirements that are related to the digital identity, forensic reporting, all of those things wrapped up into one.
Excellent. And what are the foundations that LexisNexis was starting from when you launched this solution? What differentiates it?
So it's interesting because this was sort of the brainchild, something that we had batted around with the acquisition of ThreatMetrix several years ago. And around that 2018, 2019 timeframe, we started seeing a lot of activity in the digital space, even pre-COVID, and you had Treasury who came out with guidance around innovation in this space, and we really saw that as an opportunity. Well, then along comes COVID and accelerates digital transaction. We have the geopolitical conflict that starts to emerge, and businesses were struggling to kind of balance all of that and align with their digital customer experience in light of digital sanctions. Everything went digital, everything went online, and we had the tools in our toolbox to actually help customers respond to that. So, I think that was sort of the impetus of it all. It was something, an idea, if you will, that was ruminating, and then circumstances just helped us be the ones on the forefront to be able to respond to that. And we saw that what we had really was able to meet the needs of customers, and that is making sure that the customer experience is still near frictionless, maintaining compliance with regulations, and helping clients navigate the complexity of that regulatory environment.
Great. And speaking of which, experts have warned that the Russian sanctions have set a new precedent for tougher action and could usher in a new sanctions era. So how would LexisNexis adapt to the challenges of more and more sanctions?
So it's interesting, as an organization, I think we do a great job of balancing our ongoing research and probing into what our customer needs are and what our customers are trying to solve for. We have the ability to detect potential digital sanctions evasions in near real time, which I think is really unmatched in the industry. We're able to do that because We have a digital identity network around the world. So we have that insight with over 900 million anonymized user entities transacting across our network, which is huge. And we deliver that intelligence, trust decisions, legitimacy across orchestration platforms as well. So we enable our customers to check for a match. Again, I mentioned orchestration platforms because that has become key to efficiency, and it enables customers to be able to think thoughtfully about their own risk appetites and how they want to waterfall information across their organization, be it from a sanctions compliance perspective or a fraud perspective. And so what we do is enable that digital identity, that location intelligence to be collected and really span across everything, so that you're identifying a true risk, either a sanctions risk or an identity risk. And so I think as we have this new era of sanctions, we have the continued geopolitical climate that continues as it is. Again, I'll say it, we have the right tools in our toolbox to help customers solve for those problems.
Fantastic. And then finally, what are your main focus areas and priorities for the 12 months ahead?
Yeah, so first and foremost, we are staying close to the regulatory environment. We are also staying close to our customer needs, how they're leveraging our products, where they think that there are gaps, and what are the problems that they're still trying to solve for, with customers being on the forefront of everything that we're doing. You'll continue to see us focus on this seamless approach to the customer journey via platforms, and helping introduce efficiencies and automation through our offerings, understanding what our customers have to go through when they're filing suspicious activity reports, what are other high risk jurisdictional risks that they are confronting, and then finally looking at where are other places that digital identity creeps in through transaction monitoring, and building out efficiencies there, just to adapt to an ever-changing environment. So lots of plans on the horizon, particularly in this space.
Sounds great. And thank you so much, Leslie, for taking the time to speak to me today. It's we wish you every success with this product.
Thank you so much, Zoe. My pleasure.
Please check the risk.net website for more details on the Risk Technology Awards. Thanks for watching.